Hi there. My name is Zara and I'm a part of the GRUUK team. How to make an NFT. NFT enthusiasts, developers, and entrepreneurs, over the years, have asked the question, how to build non-fungible tokens and monetize them. Before we proceed to how to create NFTs, bear in mind that non-fungible tokens have attributes that are unique to them. The process of creating NFTs is called minting. The following are the stages that must be followed to make NFT. Before attempting to create or even sell an NFT, ensure you know what you're getting into and you understand what a non-fungible token is. Research about NFT platforms and marketplaces and decide where you wish to create and sell. After that, connect the crypto wallet and set it up. Finally, begin building your first non-fungible token and list it on the platform of your choice.
Our mission is to provide a decentralized entertainment platform so that anyone with a limited understanding of decentralized finance can join. Don't miss this opportunity and join us now.